Okay, hi guys, how are you? Subject name is 10.4, chapter 10, section 4. The function of f of x is equal to x square topic. So, derivative of f of x square is, we know that formula guys. First one, let's start guys. We know that guys, rule f prime of x, limit rule is, we know that guys, last lesson, yes, limit h of approaches 0, yes, then formula is what? Formula, first of all, f of h plus f of x plus h, sorry, and minus f of x over h. And another rule is, guys, another rule, basic rule, x to the power of n is guys, yes, f prime of x, n is moved to the here guys, coefficient number, and x is guys, power of number negative 1. Don't forget the rule, this rule. Okay guys, function is f of x equal x square function. F of x is what guys? F of x is y, yes, y equal to f of x. So we can say y equal to x square. So we use the guys coordinate system, 2D coordinate system. So this is horizontal line is x-axis, yes, and vertical line is y-axis. Y is what guys? Y is f of x. So, and x square graph is, guys, we know that positive, yes, like this. This graph is what? Y is equal to x square graph, positive parabola. And okay, you can use the guys, okay, first quadrant, yes, if choose this x is, for example, this point of x, yes, so x is here guys, x is here, so we'll find the f of x. If x is here, yes, input of x, so function is what? And y is f of x function. F of x function is what? X square, yes. Point is what guys? This point is first point x, second point y, yes. First point is x, second point is y is what? X square. So another one is guys, purchase of h, yes, x plus h, horizontal line is 5. Another point is guys, if you change it h, yes, this one x point and change it h. So this point is what? If change it h and this is x, yes, so point is x plus h. So this one is, if x line is h, x plus h, yes, another one is, another point is guys, if x is, yes, x plus h, another point is y is how to find it. So we use the function is f of x function is what? X square, yes. If x is what guys? X is x plus h. Okay, instead of function x plus h equal, so x is x plus h, base of number x plus h square, yes? So f of x is what? Point x plus h square, yes? So this point is, guys, yeah, this point is, guys, first one, x is here, x point is x plus h point, yes, sorry, another one is x plus h square point, guys, yes. Okay, then how to find that f, yes, f prime x, guys, how to find the f prime x? So f prime x is, guys, f prime x, we will find the slope, guys. Slope is what? Slope is this slope. There are 2 points, yes, there are 2 points, and changing y over changing x, guys, is what is, okay, this is, yes, changing y and changing x. And slope, for example, we'll find the slope point here, guys. So this line is tangent line, yes. So we will find the slope. One more example. First example is easy example. F of x is equal to x square. And find the f of x, find the f prime x. F prime x. There are 2 ways, guys. First way is we use the limit. There are a long way. Another way is, guys, basic rule. Basic rule is this one, x to the power of n. We used to get f prime x, yes. N is moved to the here, coefficient number x is to the power of -1. So we use this one. F of x is x square function. F prime x is, guys, this one, power of 2, yes. 2 is moved to the here, guys, coefficient number, and x to the power of 2 -1. So f prime x, we can say, guys, 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 is secret 1. So 2 times x. Derivative of f of x, result is what? 2x. Okay, let's prove that, guys. Another way, limit rule, yes. Limit is f prime x equal limit h approaches 0 and f of x plus h minus f of x over h. This is minus. Minus. This is first rule. Another way is limit rule, guys. We use to limit f of prime x equal limit h approaches 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So rule is, guys, first of all, we'll find the f of x plus h. F of x function is here, yes. If input x, so output is what? X squared. And this one, if x is, guys, x plus h, so we use the function, so result is what? X plus h squared, guys. Another one is f of x. F of x function is, yes, here. You know that, guys, given. So then we use the rule. f prime x equal limit h approaches x. Yes. So f of x plus h is what? Limit h approaches 0. F of x plus h is x plus h squared minus f of x is x squared over h. Then calculate them. X plus h squared is two ways if you use this is square and minus. Yeah, we use the sum difference, adding some difference rule, we use it. Another one, this one is square. A plus b square rule. First number squared plus 2 times first number times second number and second number squared. So calculate limit approach, this is h approaches 0, x plus h squared is first number squared plus 2 times first number times second number plus second number squared, and between negative minus x squared over h. So this one, positive x squared and negative x squared, they are cancelled. Simplify of x squared, yes? So answer is limit h approaches x, and which one left? 2 times x times h plus x squared over h. Then numerator is, we use the common factor of limit h approaches 0. This one h is common factor, yes, h, you can take it h outside the parentheses. Which one left? If you can take it h here, which one left? 2x plus h squared, yes, h is here, which one left? H. So over h. So, and this h and h is simplify, cancel. Answer is f prime of x equal limit h approaches 0, yes, if h is 0, yes, which one left? 2x plus h is what? 0. Answer is what? 2x. Another answer is, also 2x, yes. So there are safe. Prime x is, 2 times x to the power of 1, yes. If this one, f, this, derivative of x is, also we will find the slope, Okay, how to find the slope? Instead of x's, if a number, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or odd number, even numbers also you can take it. If x equal to a, so we will find the slope. For example, a is 1, yes? So if a is 1 and answer is what? Slope. Slope is 2. Why? 2 times 1, yes? Another one, if a is 7, yes? 7, 2 times 7, slope is what? So 14. How to find it, this one? We used this rule, yes, easy rule. F of x equal x squared, yes. So you can take it derivative, yes, to x, and x is if a is, well, you can take it constant number 1, or a is 7, yes. So if you take it 1, guys, a, f prime of 1 equal 2 times 1, answer is 2. So we can say slope is 2. Another one is, if you take it a is 7, guys, f of 7 and equal 2 times 7 is equal to 14. And also we can say slope is 14, yes. Another way is also we can solve, guys, limit method, guys. Limit formula is, you know that f prime x equal, yes, limit h approaches 0 and formula is, yes, f of x plus h. X is what, guys? X is a, so we can say f of a plus h minus f of x. X is what? A, yes. So f of a over h, yes. How to find the slope? If a is, guys, if a is, first of all, 1, yes. If a is 1, how to find it? Limit h of 0 and f of, yes, first of all, f of a is what? 1 plus h minus f of a is 1, yes, over h. And we use the function is here, yes. X is what? 1 plus h. So this one, limit h pursuit h approaches 0, guys. So f of 1 plus h is, guys, instead of x is 1 plus h, yes. And answer is what? 1 plus h squared, guys, minus f of 1, guys. This is x is what? 1, yes. So answer is 1 squared 1, yes, over h. This one, limit h approaches 0. 1 plus h square rule is first number square plus 2 times first number times second number plus second number square minus 1 over h. So limit h approaches 0, yes. 1 square is 1 plus 2 times 1 times h, 2h, plus h square, negative 1 over h. Positive 1 here, positive 1 and negative 1 is cancelled. So answer is what? 2h plus h square. So f prime x equal limit h approaches 0, guys. So this is h is 2h plus h square over, I forget it, h, yes. And this one is, we used to, guys, common factor, yes. Numerator is, we used to common factor h times, yes, common number is h is outside the, guys, parentheses. Okay, which one left? 2 plus h over h, guys. So h simplify, yes. Limit h approaches 0 and h is simplify, yes. Which one left, guys? F prime x equal limit h approaches 0, yes, and 2 plus h left, yes. Okay, h is what? H is 0. Okay, we can say f prime x equal limit h of 0, h approaches 0, yes. So 2 plus 0. Answer is what? We can say result f prime of x equal, yes, limit h of 0, substitute here. Answer is what? 2. And also we can say slope is 2.